Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics. Linked list class with iterator method, which is related to iterator cursor in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So Java collection means collection of objects, group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. What is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with Java collection of objects. And this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. They are list, set, queue. So these three are sub interfaces for collection interface. And map interface, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So now coming to Java collections, it is only for objects but not primitive data types. If we add any primitive data type value, internally it will be stored in the form of objects only, corresponding objects. Hence, every data in Java collections is object itself. To be more precise, it is object class, object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java collections framework. So now coming to the concept of linked list class with iterator method. First of all, it is available in java.util package. And this class, it is inherited from Deque interface, which is inherited from queue interface, which is inherited from collection interface, which is inherited from iterable interface. And linked list class, it is also inherited from list interface, which is inherited from collection interface, which is inherited from iterable interface. And this class, it is also clonable as well as serializable. Both are inherited interfaces, and these two are marker interfaces. They doesn't have any data members or abstract methods. They provide special functionality for our class. We can perform cloning mechanism, and our class object can participate in serialization and deserialization process. So if we see the description of the linked list class, open the command prompt and issue the command java p java.util.linkedlist in your working directory. So coming to linked list class, it is inherited from list interface as well as Deque interface. It is clonable as well as it is also serializable, right? So serializable, which means that we can perform serialization and deserialization. Right, now coming to some technical points related to the linked list class. So it is a collection of objects as one-dimensional array. So its initial default capacity is 10. It provides indexes to collection of objects, and these indexes will range from 0 to size -1. And it is capable of accepting duplicate objects. It preserves order of objects. It means same order in which objects are added to the linked list. And using this class, we can not only perform linked list operations, but also stack operations, queue operations, as well as dequeue operations. Okay, and internally it maintains linked list data structure. So linked list data structure to store collection of objects. So coming to the constructors and methods to work with iterator cursor. So in the description of the class, so we are going to use this default constructor with an initial capacity of 10. And then we are going to use add method, using which we are going to add elements into the linked list linearly one after the other. And then on this linked list, we are going to call or apply iterator method, right? So this iterator method, what we are going to apply on linked list, it will return iterator cursor, right? So if we see the description of its base interface, which is list interface. So in list interface, here we are having iterator method whose return type is iterator cursor. So this method, iterator method, it is inherited to our linked list class. So we can use this in our subclass, right? So coming to the iterator cursor, technically it is a cursor which is in java.util package. So using this cursor, we can access objects of linked list collection linearly from first to last. So it has three methods: hasNext, next, and remove. So if we see the description of the iterator cursor, hasNext, it checks for the existence of next element in a linked list collection. If it is available, it returns true or false. If it is true, access that element using next method whose return type is a object. And these two methods should be kept in a loop. And then we can also use remove method when an iterator cursor is pointing to a particular object. Then we can also remove that object from the linked list collection. So let us demonstrate this with a small program. Linked list class example 4. Take a new page. First write the comments. Program to demo linked list class with iterator method. Import java.util package. Take the main class with main method and save the program in your working directory. So create an object of linked list. LL is equals to new linked list, and then add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 elements into the linked list. Order is preserved. Print linked list and its size. So we'll execute till here. So let us put a comment for iterator cursor. So save this, come to the command prompt, compile the program, linked list class example 4.java. Right, no error. We just got a warning. That's not a concern, and run. So initially we have 5 elements in the linked list. Order is preserved and size is 5. Now these elements will access through iterator cursor. Right. So on linked list, step 1, we are applying iterator method. ll.iterator method whose return type is iterator cursor I. And using this iterator cursor I am checking i.hasNext. So if the next object is available in the linked list, access that element. True, come inside i.next, convert that into integer because we have stored integers, store that in x and print x. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When there is no element, it will come out of the loop. And we are also checking if x is equals to 40, means when iterator cursor is pointing to 40, I dot remove. So 40 will be deleted from the linked list collection. And after coming out of the loop, print linked list will have only 4 elements without 40 object. Let's save it, recompile and run. So 10, 20, 30, 40 is displayed and removed. 50. So after that, when we print linked list, we'll have only 4 objects. 10, 20, 40 is missing, 50. 40 is removed. So this is how we are supposed to work with linked list class with iterator method in Java collections framework. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.